gotta make a move to a town that's right for me.
What are you doing?
27, 28, 29, 30.
30. 30 black and only 29 white. Looks like you're black with white stripes after all. Dilemma solved. Good night.
Wait. What the hell?
Break down the elemental components of energy on a single constant K rating. Extrapolate for each of them. Took the Sentinel Prime expedition, receiving echo on a signal. You wind up with a formula for interdimensional energy creation. The only one in the class.